Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is just a simple work of project that I've been doing on Scratch. It's just a name animation, kind of just showcases some of the things that you can do on Scratch. Very simple, and you could, once you learn and you practice more, you can get a lot more in depth with these projects. So I am just going to play it through once to show you what it does. There is sound effects, but you will not be able to hear those. So I'll go through and click the letters as prompted. The UFO is going to move around a few times. And then it will find its way off screen, and that is the end of the animation. So to make this animation, it's, I started with the first letter, and all of the letters pretty much have the same code. They start in their random position. They will then turn in their circles 6 times, and then they glide to that position where they show my name. And then when each one is clicked, it switches to its alien costume and makes that noise. It turns again, it will glide to its random position, and then they all glide to the UFO and they shrink. And then, so that's pretty much all that the letters do at that point. And so the UFO, once, it starts to the right side of the screen, and then it goes to the left, which is this code here, and then it waits until the third A is touching it, and until that point it will start a flash broadcast, or a flash look color switch, and you can kind of see that as I ran it through. This code is a little more complicated, but ultimately it just makes the UFO flash a few times to give it a different effect, and then the UFO moves in a random position 10 times with another noise making, and then it slides off screen and turns and it shrinks, and that is the end of the program. The click the letters block is also just a very simple included sprite and thing on the stage. When the flag is clicked and it's started, the instructions is set there for 3 seconds, and then it goes away, but that same sprite is directed to play the background noise that you hear as well. So that is all. I just wanted to show you some of the different things that you can do on Scratch and show the value that it has in teaching children how to code, and young learners how to code and create their own projects in programming. Thank you.